quick tips to make sure your smartphone video stands out. First, you want to make sure that whatever you're showing on camera is well lit, using whatever you have available, whether it be sunlight or even a lamp. Next, your phone has a decent built-in microphone, so you want to make sure that you're shooting in an area that has no distracting noise and no strong wind. You also want to shoot your videos horizontally rather than vertically, so that it will auto-adjust to whatever the viewer is viewing it on. If you have a tripod, use it. Holding a video can make it shaky. Dress and appearance is also important. If you need to use personally protective equipment, then do so. You also want to avoid using jargon and acronyms. Make it conversational. People like to be educated and entertained at the same time, so why not make it both? Who knows? You may be the next Air Force superstar.